Bless you. Alright, now what we're looking at. Bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now we're looking at the bench grinder. You can use the bench grinder to sharpen down lawnmower blades.
That's what you
You can run off the edges of bolts so the threads fit perfectly. You can use it to grind down rough edges and surfaces. And then another part of the bench grinder, we have the bristle brush side, so you can take away wire brush side. Use it to take off rust on axles, pipes. That's about it.
As an example of improper safety equipment, you need safety glasses or face shield, hard toe boots, and jeans. Take two.
Ron, we will. Alright. This is part of what you need to wear for your personal protection safety equipment. You need jeans, steel-toed boots or work boots, safety glasses, and when you're grinding, a face shield. Alright, we're going to go over the hand grinder. This is a nice D-bolt. Right now it's got a grinding wheel on it, a 4.5-inch grinding wheel. Then we got to go over our different types of wheels. Got a 4.5-inch cutoff wheel. Use your cut metal. Got a 4.5-inch wafer wheel. Grinding stuff down. And you have a 4.5-inch grinding wheel for grinding metals down. Now this wafer wheel is not what to do. You do not want this wafer wheel like this. So it's unsafe. Alright, first thing, turn the grinder on, you gotta plug it in. If I can get it plugged in. No. Make sure there's no flammable liquid substances around. Make sure you have your face shield on. And then turn it on, you use this little button right here on the side. It's not working. Oh. This little button on the side.